I'm a longtime hairstylist, and I've just done the one thing all hairstylists know you shouldn't do on your own. I trimmed my own hair. Have you ever had a hairstylist tell you should trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks? And you think, oh, they're just telling me that so I can come back and spend more money for a haircut. Not necessarily true. I always told my clients that your hair's like a rose bush. You've got to trim the blooms in order for it to keep growing. And that's absolutely true. How your hair works is if you don't trim off the split and dead ends, those split and dead ends will get bigger. They will grow up the hair shaft, and eventually more of your hair is breaking off than growing out of your scalp. So you should trim those off. And to prove that we're not just telling you that so you'll come back to us and pay for a new haircut, is that I'm about to endorse a product where you can do it for yourself at home. Hey guys, I have to share with you this thing I just bought. I have to talk about this, and this is something I don't normally do. First of all, for those who don't know, I have been a licensed cosmetologist for a million years, but I was absolutely fascinated by it, and I've always been the very science-focused hairstylist. That's what really got me interested in cosmetology. And scientifically, this thing really actually made sense. So it's the cordless hair trimmer. There we go. That's better. So I got this cordless hair trimmer and it was under $10. So figured I'd give it a shot. How this thing works is it has this cylinder in here and it rolls the hair over the cylinder. Whatever is split or dead ends, they stick up. Healthy hair will go smoothly over this cylinder. Broken, damaged, split ends do not. They stick straight up. So as it moves over the cylinder and the hair sticks straight up, the damaged hair sticks straight up, there is a spinning blade. I use that term loosely, and it catches that hair and cuts it off. It's actually really genius. Once it gets cut off by that little spinning blade, and I'm going to show you, it comes out like this, catches in this little thing, and I highly recommend cleaning it out often. But here is a little spinning blade, and you can touch it. It's not going to hurt you or cut you at all. It's actually not as sharp as you would think it is. It just moves really, 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 really fast. It actually does work, and I'm super impressed. So it comes with a charging cord. You can actually use your phone charger. You just unlock it here and that turns it on at the same time. I do recommend you brush and or comb your hair well before using it. It's not going to slide like super fast off your hair. See that? The material it's made from is just slightly rubberized to stop you from moving too fast, and it does kind of grip and comb the hair as it goes. So you just take a section of hair. I have very thick hair, so I can't take huge sections. If you have thick hair, really thick hair, do not take huge sections. So just right there, and then see how it's working? So don't freak out. Don't think that it's going to take like huge chunks of your hair out, because it can't. The way it's designed prohibits that. So see what I mean? It moves it over that little cylinder, and that blade moves really fast and gets the broken bits of hair. How cool is that? It actually really, really works and saves me time and money. Ariana, I'm sorry. I will still come to you. I promise. It does come with stuff to clean it. So you're going to lock it, close it, and then brush it out. Keep it nice and clean. I would highly recommend keeping it nice and clean, because if one, you're not using small enough sections of your hair and combing it nicely and not cleaning it out regularly, see these little spindles here? Hair will get wrapped around it and it will pull your hair out. So that's the only real issue I've run into, because I was using too big of sections. It was my fault, not the machine's fault. I like it. I'm kind of impressed. I'm really thinking it's going to change things for me. Like, look at that. Awesome. Every lady should have one of these. It's really cool. I'm really happy I bought this. So there you have it. A longtime licensed cosmetologist, former salon owner, is totally endorsing this product.